बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching Islamic videos.
The story of the elephant is a brief but fascinating narrative found in Surah Al-Fil in the Quran. The story revolves around an extraordinary event that took place in the pre-Islamic era in Makkah, which serves as a reminder of God's power and protection over His sacred places. Once upon a time, in the ancient city of Makkah, long before the advent of Islam, there lived a noble and pious man named Abdul Muttalib. He was known throughout the city for his wisdom, integrity, and love for the sacred Kaaba, a cube-shaped structure built by the Prophet Abraham and his son Ismail as a house of worship. One day, word reached Makkah that an army led by a mighty and fearsome king named Abraha was approaching the city. This army was unlike anything the people of Makkah had ever seen. Abraha had a grand plan to divert the pilgrims of Makkah away from the Kaaba to his own magnificent cathedral, which he called the Church of the Elephant. He believed that by doing so, he would establish his own authority and supremacy. The people of Makkah were alarmed and distressed. They feared the destruction of their beloved Kaaba, the center of their spiritual and cultural life. They prayed to God, seeking His protection and guidance. One night, as Abdul Muttalib lay beneath the open sky, gazing at the stars and praying for salvation, a deep and tranquil sleep enveloped him. In a dream, he saw a majestic army of birds swooping down from the heavens, carrying stone in their beaks and claws. These birds, looking like swarms of small blackbirds, soared toward the approaching army of Abraha. The next morning, Abdul Muttalib rushed to the people of Makkah and shared his remarkable dream. They were puzzled but clung to the hope that God would indeed protect His sacred house. As Abraha and his army drew nearer to Makkah, an astonishing event unfolded. Suddenly, the sky darkened with an immense flock of birds, their wings covering the horizons. These birds were not ordinary, but rather they were swift, agile, and relentless. Each carried a small stone in its beak or claws. As they descended upon Abraha's army, they released these stones with remarkable precision. The stone rained down upon the invaders, causing chaos and destruction. Abraha's grand plans were foiled, and his army faced a swift and devastating defeat. The once mighty Abraha lay helpless, humiliated by the very city he had sought to conquer. Makkah was saved, and his sacred Kaaba remained unharmed, a testament to the miraculous interventions of God. The people of Makkah rejoined, thanking God for His divine protection. The story of the elephant, as recounted in Surah Al-Fil, remains a powerful reminder of God's ultimate authority and protection over His sacred places and His ability to thwart even the most formidable of plans. It is a story that continues to inspire faith and awe, demonstrating that God's will prevails in the face of adversity.